How to auto-update apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find App Store and tap on it. You are now in the App Store settings page. Here, you can manage automatic downloads, app updates, cellular data usage for downloads, in-app content downloads, and video autoplay settings. You can also enable or disable offloading of unused apps and manage whether to be prompted for large downloads. Over here, go to the Automatic Download section and turn on the App Updates feature. This means that all new app updates will now automatically get installed on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily auto-update apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.